With this train, we're going to create an assembly, but it's going to be a little bit different than the assemblies we've done before. Of course, we want to place our body in as the base part. And I'm going to ground that so nothing else moves. Then we're going to bring in the other parts that we have. I don't need another body. I can delete that. I'm going to need some more wheels. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the way we're going to do this, most of these inserts, is if you can imagine the bottom edge of this circle touching the bottom of this cavity. That's the way we're going to do this. We're going to use the constraint. And with the constraints, there's several different ways we constrain, and one of them is called insert, this fourth one over. And most of these are going to be the surface or opposed option. We could also do an aligned insert, but we're going to use the opposed option. So what I want to do is basically select the two edges that are going to touch each other. In this case, that one and that one. And it's going to pop it into place. Apply. Okay, so with the other stuff, the wheels, if we look at these wheels, we want them to sit, whoa, got a little off there. We want the back side of the wheel, not the front side of the wheel, right? We want the back side of the wheel to touch our opening here. And remember, this is not actually connecting it, but it's putting it in place so that it is concentric with that other circle. So I'm going to select the insert, opposed, and I'm going to select the two parts that are going to touch each other. Just like that. Apply. Cancel. And you can see that that moves in a concentric circle around there. If we bring in a axle peg, we can do the same thing. This time, we're going to constrain it, insert, opposed. We want this outside edge, but we want to come over here and look at this side of the axle. I'm going to zoom out, and you're going to see it pop into place because that's touching the outside edge. Hit apply, cancel.